Morning, children. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Pratna, how are you, Pratna? Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am, I'm fine now.
Okay. Did you test second time? Did you test whether it is positive or negative to check that?
No, ma'am, I have to test tomorrow.
Okay. Good. Okay, children. So let us continue with our triangles. Last period test. Okay. So I think all of you be ready with your OMR sheets. Test will be through OMR mode. Okay. Okay. So next.
Ma'am, you told that you will take the revision of
revision
section.
polynomial number system we did, and
Yes, yes.
the other one
Common.
coordinate geometry. After taking
Yes.
class for a while, I will do the revision.
Okay, ma'am.
Because it is very simple chapter now. Coordinate geometry, very simple, no problems. I will go through all the points once. Okay. Now,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
now write the next criteria for congruence, that is SSS congruence criteria. Write SSS congruence rule. SSS congruence rule. Write this. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.
Ma'am, we should write that.
Yes, right. SSS congruence rule. Gobi, read SSS congruence rule.
If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.
Congruent. And Leah, read.
If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.
Then the two triangles are congruent. Okay. Steve, read.
If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.
Then the two triangles are congruent. We will draw two triangles. ABC, XY, Z. Draw these two triangles ABC, XYZ. Here 4 centimeter. Okay. Here BA equal to YZ equal to 3 centimeter. AC equal to ZX. AC equal to ZX 4 centimeter. What is? No, not AC. It is 4 centimeter is BC. BC equal to 4 centimeter, and it is equal to XZ and AC. AC 6 centimeter. YX is 6 centimeter. So triangle ABC congruent to which triangle? Triangle. Three sides are equal. Corresponding three sides are equal. So triangle ABC is congruent to how can we write triangle? Response to AB.
Is that Y,
Y. Okay. Y Z
Y, Z, X.
X. Y Z X. Triangle ABC is congruent to YZX. If three sides of a triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then these two triangles are congruent. All of you wrote this. Draw
One
these
minute,
two
1 minute,
figures, figure also. Then write these measures. Over.
No, ma'am.
Children, Saturday I have sent one Aryabhatta competition. Did you try that? You will get an e-certificate.
Ma'am, I didn't see the message.
Saturday I sent in your group, posted in your group. Okay. And please do that so that you will get an e-certificate. And if you download and take a printout of that certificate, you can keep in your portfolio.
Ma'am,
Okay.
that science quiz.
No, it is max. It is max. Okay, so today when you are getting a gap between periods, today itself all of you try and you have to post that as your. They are asked to post you as your what status. Okay. After getting the certificate, you can post that as your status. Okay, all of you do that today itself. Huh? And better if you take a printout so that you can keep it on your portfolio. Okay. Next is
Ma'am, just take quiz, right? Ma'am, what it is that?
the simple questions. You go, all the steps are there. How to do that? All the steps
Ma'am,
are given.
according to our level.
Yes, yes. My 8th standard children did that, and they have posted their certificates on
Okay, ma'am.
as their status. 8th standard already did last day, yesterday, some of them. Now, next is RHS congruence rule, right? RHS congruence rule, if in two right triangles, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. RHS means right angle, hypotenuse, side. Right angle triangle, hypotenuse, and one more side are equal. Only for right triangles.
Ma'am, when is the last date of that one?
It is up till end of this month.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you wrote, Neymar, read RHS congruence rule.
Okay, ma'am. If in two right angles, the
Right
hypotenuse and
triangles, in two
right
right
triangles,
triangles.
the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.
Okay, Krishnaveni, read.
Yes, ma'am. RHS congruence rule. If
Mm.
in two right triangles, the hypotenuse and the one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.
Okay, Alina Varghese, read.
If two right triangle
If
in two triangles the
two right triangles, read. Alina. Asin.
If in two right triangles, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.
Okay, Abhishek.
Ma'am.
Abhishek. Read, Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am. In two right triangles, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent.
Are congruent. Okay, you draw these two figures. Two right triangles. PQR and ABC. PQR and ABC, two right triangles. See, here we can see two right triangles. Okay, and see the hypotenuse, length of hypotenuse for both of them are 5 centimeter. So their hypotenuse are equal. Also one more side, that is QR and BC are also equal. Okay, then we can say that these two right triangles are congruent. RHS congruence rule is only for right triangles. For that, hypotenuse and any one of the side must be equal. Then the two right triangles are congruent. Here we have hypotenuse PR equal to AC equal to 5 centimeter. And one more QR equal to BC equal to 4 centimeter. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Over, can I start?
To decrease again.
Okay. Now, question number 1. Write question number 1. Draw its figure also. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC. DBC. Okay, two isosceles triangles. Write the question and draw the figure. Next time we have one more chapter from geometry, parallel, quadrilaterals and circles. 2 chapters. 1 chapter is deleted. 9th geometry is little bit lengthy chapters, but 10th it is okay. Only this continuation of congruence. 9th, there are 5 chapters from geometry. Can I start, all of you?
1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have to draw the figure.
Draw the figure.
Man, these type of problems will come
Hmm?
for exam.
Exam, everything is MCQ mode. So this type of questions also I will ask in MCQ mode. Okay, all the lengthy questions we can ask in the form of MCQ no. So question paper is all questions are MCQ. 40 questions are MCQ. Okay. Okay, so let us start. We have two isosceles triangles. Two isosceles triangles ABC, A, B, C. Okay, and BD, DBC, DBC. And this AD is extended to P also. Okay, since ABC is an isosceles triangle, we can write AB equal to AC, isn't it? AB equal to AC. First question, we need to prove triangle and a DBC also isosceles. So there also we can write BD equal to CD. Reason ABC, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are isosceles. Isosceles. Okay, because given is two isosceles triangles. So their sides base angles are equal and sides opposite to base angles are also equal. So AB equal to AC. Okay, now first question. We need to prove triangle. To prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. ABD is congruent to ACD. That was the question. For that we have, so ABD. All of you move your fingers through ABD. And ACD. Understood? Which are the two triangles, ABD and ACD? Okay. In those two triangles, we have AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Given. Okay.
AD equal to AD.
AD equal to AD. AD equal to AD. That is common. Common. Also, we have BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD. Reason we have already written ABC and DBC are isosceles. So three sides are equal. So we can write triangle ABD. ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Reason what? Three sides are equal. SSS congruence rule. So first question is over. SSS congruence rule. Okay, can I rub?
Okay, I'll explain one more time.
Sure. See here, look at our two triangles. Which are the two triangles we need? ABD. Look at the two triangles ABD and ACD. These are the two triangles. Okay, in that AB equal to AC. AB equal to Vinayak. What was the reason for that AB equal to AC? Vinayak, try to say why. Isosceles, because it is given that the whole triangle ABC is isosceles. So AB equal to AC and AD equal to AD. It's a common. See, understood? AD is common. Okay, Vinayak?
Okay, ma'am.
And BD equal to CD. Why BD equal to CD, Vinayak? BD, the third side. BD equal to CD. Why? BD equal to CD. Why so? Vinayak? Vinayak, DBC. What is which type of triangle DBC? DBC is
Isosceles.
isosceles. So its sides BD and DC are also equal. See these 2 points. We are using those 2 points. So 3 sides are equal, hence they are congruent. Clear? Three sides of a triangle is equal to the 3 sides of another triangle. By SSS congruence rule, we can say that they are congruent. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Now consider next set of triangles APB. APB and APC. All of you try. APB and APC. A, B, C, D, P. Consider APB, triangle APB and triangle APC. Give one by one reasons for its congruence. APB.
AP is common. AP.
Very good. AP equal to AP, common to both. Good. Then
AB
AB
equal to
very good. AB equal to AC. Because triangle ABC is isosceles. Then
BP is equal to CP.
BP, how can we say BP equal to CP?
And DB is equal to DC.
DB and DC are not there in our 2 triangles APB and APC. DB and DC are not there. The sides are AP, PC, CA. AP, PB and AB. These are the same. DB and DC are not there in our triangles. It is inside it. Any other reason? What about angle B and angle C? In APB, angle B and angle C, are they equal?
Yes.
Yes, why? What is the reason? Angle B equal to angle C. What was the reason? Which type of triangle ABC? Isosceles. So isosceles triangles. Why angle B and angle C are equal? See children, if you are not studied daily portions, you can't get this. ABC is an isosceles triangle, and given that AB equal to AC, then why angle B and angle C are equal? Why angle B and angle C are equal? No reason? Krishnaveni, how can we say angle B and angle C are equal? Krishnaveni, read 7.2.
Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal.
And so here, which are equal in this figure?
Angle B and angle C.
Now read this 7.3.
The sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal.
Equal. Okay. Children, theorem 7.2 and theorem 7.3 write 15 times. Okay. What is your next period?
Biology.
When it is?
10:30.
10:30. My period will end at, okay,
No.
before biology. Before biology, all your in this imposition should be in my WhatsApp. Is that clear, all of you? Write both the theorems 15 times. Without studying all these things, how can you follow this? Huh? You're simply sitting, and whatever I'm saying, okay, understood, and not studying at home after the class. How many of you wrote yesterday's portion twice? Yesterday's questions. How many of you wrote and studied? Raise your hands. No one. Geometry is simply attending the class. Only Michelle. Okay. Geometry class is simply attending, like movie, attending the class. Some other subjects or some other topics, okay, I can agree. But geometry, in the beginning, it's the way I told you. Daily you have to study. Otherwise, you can't understand what I'm taking the next period. Simply sitting. So this term, okay, you will get only MCQ questions. So what you will do for the next term? Next term also, next chapter, chapter 8th, continuation of this chapter. Circles, again continuation. So last exam is not MCQ. You have to come to school and you have to write the test. Last year, in between the Corona, 9th standard have to come to school. And they wrote exam here. Which is Corona or not? Last year, in between Corona, we conducted exam likewise. Okay, so angle B equal to angle C. Reason is sides opposite to equal, no, angles opposite to equal sides. Equal sides. So two sides and including angle AB, AP, including angle B is equal. So triangle APB is congruent to triangle APC SAS congruence rule. SAS congruence rule. Okay, in that two more questions, third and fourth one, you try by yourself before my next period. And attendance. Adnan.
Present, ma'am.
Agna.
Present, ma'am.
Akila. Alan.
Present, ma'am.
Alana.
Present, ma'am.
Alina.
Present, ma'am.
Alna. Ansel.
Present, ma'am.
Anlia. Ashmit.
Present, ma'am.
Amen. Devika.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Catherine.
Present, ma'am.
Christo.
Present, ma'am.
Dion. Abhinav. Abhinav present. Evelyn.
Present, ma'am.
Shasa.
Ma'am, is present.
Oh, Abhinav. Okay.
Bino is present.
Gobi. Harsh.
Present, ma'am.
Jeevan. Jeff. Gino. Joseph.
Present, ma'am.
Krishnaveni.
Present,
Mithun.
Present,
Michelle.
ma'am.
Naima.
Present, ma'am.
Abhishek. Asin. Alia.
Present, ma'am.
Prarthana. Rolgar. Rudra.
Present,
Sachin.
ma'am.
Rudra present.
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra and Rolgar. No. Sachin. Safa. Salin. Sarhat. Shankari.
Present, ma'am.
Shalim present, ma'am.
Okay. Shivanya.
Present, ma'am.
Shivanand. Steve.
Present.
Rolgar present.
Steve present.
My net went.
Okay, no problem. Rudra, what about Rudra? Please check whether she is there or not, children. Surya Narayan.
Ma'am, Rudra is present.
Okay. Thomas Chaco.
Present, ma'am.
Tia. Varda. 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 No. Vinayak. You. Saiba.
And Dion is present.
Dion present. What about Varda? Okay. So last period test. Be ready. Thank you, children. Don't forget before next period, write 15 times and send to my WhatsApp. Okay. I will check with your attendance. If it not come, I will cut your attendance. Okay.